come to visit the city of Nantes, you will have the opportunity to visit a city with different faces, a lot of heritage like this here in the Opera House Square, but also beautiful covered passageway on 3 levels, the Passage Pommeret, also the Castle of Dukes of Brittany and the Cathedral, which offers you a beautiful heritage. But between those monuments, squares and buildings, you will have the opportunity to discover modern art. The identity of the city of Nantes, the trip to Nantes, le voyage à Nantes, which welcomes you and offers you another face of the city, face of creativity that you can enjoy and discover by yourself, following a green line which is on the floor along 12 kilometers everywhere in the city. Different districts, different aspects of the city. It's a nice city break for you, for your family, to enjoy your city, which wants to be a real playground, offering you different faces.